Hey, don't adjust the channel. You rocking with your boy Blade. Ain't no telling what we gonna get into today. It's gonna be action-packed. I want you to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get the freshest, the hottest, the newest videos. This channel is all about inspiration. It's all about positivity, good energy. But we definitely gonna have fun. We're gonna work hard. We're gonna think smart, but we're gonna have fun more than anything on this channel. But I want y'all to let all your friends know, even your baby mama. Got the rear shock installed. I need to go ahead and take a picture of it at this stage right here. Fix the front over there on there. Man, it's coming along. Got the man in the building right here, man. Man, that Raptor video that you put out though, that edit was dope. Like it just was simple, but it's like almost had like that eerie Michael Myers, Halloween scary type of vibe though. Yeah. You know what I mean?
It's going crazy right now. Every time I wake up, there's a light.
Yeah. What you looking for?
I'm just looking through everything.
Man, so we don't need nothing in this box no more?
I don't know yet.
Yeah.
I need like something like you got like a trash where I can put all this dump all the trash.
Man.
There's just gonna be a lot of bags and shit open.
Well, we gonna just throw this shit in one of these boxes, man.
Come on, man. It's no shot. Come on.
Gonna throw that shit in the box and cheap. Ain't paying for no trash can. I'm just gonna throw all this shit in there. I got bags and put that shit in. I like to say I'm frugal. Man, you a smart businessman. You better start thinking like that too, bro. Everything costs a lot of money. Everything is expensive as hell nowadays.
Hey man, I got to put my prices up, man. You know, about to charge Blaze again. You know, for coming out here, especially.
Damn, bro.
You know what I'm saying? Nah, you know I got him.
I squared our business away though. That's why I was like,
yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Always making sure that the mechanic is good, and like that's the thing that a lot of people fail.
Yeah,
because
hey, excuse me. Take care of your builder. Take care of your builder, man.
Now you gonna give me props on that because I was always big on did you get straight?
Yeah.
Even though I was cheap, and I still am cheap.
You know what I'm saying? We still
Things out here or there. I've been paid this man what he asked for. He giving me a good deal. He doing quality work. And that's why I ain't messing with nobody else on this build, because if you bring somebody else in on a build, if they got a cheaper price or wherever it is, it may not work out for you. You know what I'm saying? So you got to stick with one builder. Like,
and guys, this is not cheap. This is
you got something on your beard.
And not only that, who cares about the money and everything?
You got something on your beard, bro.
Who cares about the money and everything? It's about, it takes a lot of time, you know, time. Especially if you try to do it right, you know. All this shit got stuck on there too.
Man, because that's how long it's been sitting up.
Yeah.
It's got stale
Yep.
plastic on it.
But anyway, yeah, he got everything. Towards Elite. Already did the Towards Elite. I took care of him. You know. Stock carbs. Nothing too crazy.
Somebody's asking me about it, and he's like, "Man, that thing got 2 carburetors on it."
That's
and
normal. That's stock. That's how they're designed.
See, I ain't even knowing about that. I didn't know that it is 2 like cylinders I seen on there or something. I don't know. I know I seen where like when they be hitting the throttle, it's like a little small spot where like that piston looking thing be going up and down.
Yeah.
I've seen some people draw smiley faces on them. And like when you hit the gas, it's like it's chewing.
Sorry guys, I'm just looking through here because it's been a couple months and I forgot what was in here.
Man, new parts, Mac Daddy clutch. I just like that. Mac Daddy racing clutch, Vito's, dead chain. There it is. That's the information right there. Mac Daddy. We gotta keep this card in the file. More packages to throw away, so. Or we could just stick to what we do best.
Yeah.
You fix this shit all the time, man.
Yes, sir.
Man, what you got to tell them folks, man? JSP, I finally got him back over here. He been busy, man. He been building all kinds of bikes. So you done built the 700, at least 2 of them.
2 of them.
That I know of. You started on Island Boy.
Our boys on the way.
You always maintaining Ghost.
Yeah, I'm trying to get a few things out the way because I want to go to the next stage with Ghost. You see what I'm saying? So.
What is it that you running on Ghost right now? It's a 421. Is it a 421?
No 421.
It's a Cerebral or something you said.
No 421. Nah, that's not the purpose. The purpose is reliability and a little bit more power for my size. I'm a big boy, so catch me at the red light and you're gonna find out. You know what I'm saying?